Hi guys!
Hello!
Hi.
Hello! Welcome back to Middle Class Tries.
Hello.
So before we start today's challenge, let me just ask you one question. What do you guys think of Korean fried chicken?
I think it's better than...
Oh, my favorite.
Fried or grilled? I prefer Western chickens lah, to be honest.
So we actually found this something on Shopee. So you can basically make Korean fried chicken using a microwave. And you guys will work together to try and figure out how to make it using the instructions provided at the back of the packaging. And then after that, you guys will try your own creations.
Hell no.
Okay, sounds fun.
Sounds
go!
So these are all the ingredients that you need.
Oh,
Is it actual raw chicken?
Oh, I thought it comes with the chicken. They're all in Korean.
Okay, please,
But how?
please, read the instructions.
No, I don't know how to read.
Aya,
Is there any like English translation?
Nope,
Chicken
you guys
powder
have to
for
figure it out.
in the microwave.
Oh dang.
just picture. Okay, so you open, there'll be a box. There's no box. This is the box.
The first one is you.
Build a microwave first. Yeah, this is a microwave.
No, that's not the microwave. This is this one lah.
Oh!
Fix the box.
Wait, I don't know how. What if I break it? Then there's no chicken.
I don't understand what's this box for.
You're gonna break it. You're gonna break it.
No, it's a box lah. I just need to pull open only. Brother, hello, you trying to break what, yeah?
They're
Can you
sure.
Google image translator? Okay.
Then after there's a bag, right? That is actually pretty dope lah. I just wanted to touch it. Touch the chicken.
Just a tip: you don't need to wash your chicken because it will spread the bacteria on your skin.
Smart.
Ah yes. God damn, the dog has freaking chicken.
It's okay.
Fix the lower plate of the support. Inflate it like a balloon.
Pause. Add the seasoning first.
Wow, how dare you don't give us like English translations.
Okay, are you
you're
ready?
Korean?
Perfect.
Fall to one side. It's perfect.
You just
Then kiap, right? Close your.
actually don't need kiap lah. Actually kiap, okay.
No, just
Let's turn the
kiap,
water into
dude.
power. Whoa, where are people shake like that? Can you shake like shaker?
No, but I scared. I pop it also, dude. I'm not gonna.
Aya, what's the worst? Raw chicken in your body only. Any chicken juice drop on me, I'll actually die.
Close the top with a zipper lock. Remove the speaker. When you tap the speaker, you can get unmixed raw powder. Place the chicken casing back on the paper stand and then bundle it at an angle to the side. When the speaker is spicy,
Right? Yeah. Oh wow! Wow! Yeah, it's all in the twist, man. Look at that.
use the plastic.
It looks very unhealthy to put the plastic inside the microwave. Help!
I concept plastic.
Okay, no, you just there. And most just no chicken.
Oh god. I think we're so
Okay,
good.
she's let me do it.
Place the chicken containing shaking back on the paper tray and then place it at an angle to the side. What angle to the side?
Hey brother, it's not gonna explode lah. Relax. Any chicken juice drop on me, I'll actually die.
Let's just wing it, man.
I trust you.
Okay, so can we put it inside the microwave now?
Yes.
Do you not have a microwave? What do you have? An oven?
Yeah,
That's all?
yeah. I don't know how to operate this.
Damn long.
Help!
I got it. Put it in there. Oh shit.
For 15 minutes and 30 seconds. See you guys in 15 minutes.
Okay, then we purposely don't include this.
How dare you!
Even turn it.
It's a waiting game, Actually, it smells nice.
Waiting patiently.
Somehow very nice. Can you prepare us like rice?
Can I have lemon, please? Is it spicy?
It's red, so I'm guessing.
Doesn't mean it's spicy.
Which red thing isn't spicy?
Tomato.
Tomato? Well, that's spicy. It's like one of the spiciest fruits.
Huh.
It smells good.
Oh, it smells so good.
I learned in my VCK. 저는 싱가포르 사람입니다. eat the chicken.
Hey,
Actually, your clap or what?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
It's gonna pop. It's gonna pop. It's gonna pop.
这种 freaking pop 啦。Do the what call it ah?
The tongs.
The tossing roll. The main in the middle. No. So you take one, right? You just like that, right? Or like that lah. Then like just put in the middle of the middle finger. You just hold the other one away.
What?
Ah, there you go. One. Why does it look so bad? Why is it black? It's charred. Dude, okay, I'll show you a piece.
We had like the perfect piece, which is this one.
Professional food stylist.
Hello. Oh my god.
Ta-da! Ta-da!
Okay.
Does it look good?
Sister, it's just chicken. You
Does
say
it
just
smell
take it
good?
as a steamed chicken, like what you say.
Actually, right, the chicken doesn't look like it's deep fried. If you guys expecting it to be like perfectly
Crunchy.
deep fried and crunchy, but
It's not bad actually. It's really. It's not bad. I think it's not bad.
the sauce is really good.
It tastes good. It tastes spicy.
It is spicy
In a good way. But it's not crunchy.
Yeah, it's not crunchy.
Doesn't taste great lah. It tastes,
It tastes.
I don't know, like a 1 out of 5 or something.
It's a 3 for me. I think it's okay.
So it's not fried chicken. It's more like steamed chicken with bulldog sauce.
Yeah. Please don't,
That's the
don't
better
expect
title.
a crunchy chicken. That is my favorite. Unless
Yeah.
you put it inside air fryer.
Where's the rice? It's too juicy.
It's not juicy lah.
It is for mine. It's quite okay.
The flavor is very strong and it coats the chicken nicely. So the chicken actually turns out very flavorful.
I wouldn't serve this to
every time.
anyone,
Yeah, yeah. No, actually I will if I'm lazy to do anything.
So you would like invite your friends over.
Yeah, then
Like,
I whip up this.
Hey yo, I go for you Korean chicken. Wow, everyone excited. No?
Yeah lah, hype them
They-
up. Then they get this.
I wouldn't be too happy about it. I will still eat it lah, cause you know I'm a courteous person.
As long as you make nice, right?
gonna know.
How do you make this nice?
Nobody's gonna know.
How do you make this nice?
Nobody's gonna
Do you
know.
think overall experience today, yes or no?
Yes, it's so good.
Alright. It's just not the best. It's mediocre at best.
You still eating what? No, you're eating too.
Yes, I
Why
like
you
eating.
eating too? You're eating.
The wing quite dry.
Wait,
It's
just
not
change
great.
it to you love it.
So overall experience for today, yes or no?
Oh yes, yes. Not.
No,
what?
no, you're like.
Who knows? As long as, honestly, if it's not bugs, right, or anything gross, right, it'll be a yes lah. It's
Okay, thanks for watching this episode of Middle Class Tries.
If you enjoyed this episode, remember to like, share with your friends.
Bye bye.
That's it. That's it.
That's so obsessed with it.
Oh no.
I love chicken.
What?
Spear. You say spear?
Yes.
You're gonna cut everything and just put me saying yes. So yes.